Good morning, student. In the last video, we had seen 9 examples of the exercise first A. Now let's start with question number 10. The diagram is given. Fulcrum is at O. Then 10, 20, 30 and so on up to the 50 centimeter over here. This side also 50 centimeter. And the weight of 40 GF is kept at 40 centimeter. Here the weight of 40 GF. Question is that figure shows the bar is supported at the middle point O. Weight of 40 GF is placed at a distance of 40 cm from the left of the O. How can you balance the bar with the weight of 80 GF? Where we can keep this 80 GF to make the bar horizontal. So here we can say this 40 GF as a W1. This distance from the fulcrum is L1, which is say 40 centimeter. This W2 is 80 GF, and where to keep that we have to find say L2. So by principle of moment we can say W1 L1 is equal to W2 L2. Putting the values, 40 GF multiplied by 40 is equal to 80 GF multiplied by L2. This is 40 centimeter. So L2 that is equal to 40 into 40 divided by 80. This 0 get cancelled, 1s are 2s are, 1s are 20. Okay, so it is 20 centimeter from O at right side. This is the answer. Question number 11. Again the figure is given same way. Okay, you have to find meter rule is in how will it turn. Okay, so let's see, let me first draw the diagram and then we start with question. Fulcrum is at O, which is at 50 centimeter. 40 GF is at 10 centimeter. Weight of 40 GF. Weight of 20 GF at 90. Now let's see the questions required. Figure shows a uniform meter rule placed on fulcrum at its midpoint O and having a weight of 40 GF at the 10 centimeter mark and weight of 20 GF at a 90 centimeter mark. 40 GF at 10 and 20 at a 9. Is the meter rule in equilibrium? Okay, is the meter rule equilibrium? First question. So by principle of moment, W1 L1 is equal to W2 L2. W1 say 40 GF, L1 50 to 10 40 centimeter is W2 20 GF, and it is at 90 from 50 centimeter, so again 40 centimeter. So both get cancelled and you find that it is 40 GF is equal to 20 GF, which is not equal, which implies us meter rule is not balanced. Okay, meter rule is not balanced. Where it turns then, 40 GF is more and it is due to this W1 weight, so it turns in anti-clockwise movement. So it turns in anti-clockwise. Second question, how can the ruler be brought in equilibrium? By using additional weight of 40 GF. We can see that this side the weight is more So 40 g of weight we have to keep somewhere over here. Okay, so I can say this as W1, this is W2, I say this as L1, this as L2, okay, this as W3 now, and this is L3 say. So again, by principle of movement, we can say that side, left side, weight is W1 L1, moment of force is W1 L1, and this side moment of force W2 L2 plus W3 L3. W1 L1 is 40 into 40 GF into 40 centimeter, here 20 GF at W2 and 40 centimeter plus weight of W3 which is 40 GF, we have to keep to balance at what length or at what distance, right? So in this way we can find this is 1600 GFCM and this is 800 GFCM plus of 40 GF L3. So L3 is equal to 1600 minus 800, that is 800 GF CM divided by 40 GF. So this 41s are 20s are. So you can find you get cancelled 20 centimeter from O at right side, either के side में, right? Or you can say or at mark of 50, then 60, 70 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay. Next question. 12th, 13th do as homework. 12th and 13th as a homework. Let's see 14th. Again the diagram is given that you can do. That is also easy one. 14th you do. Let's see 15th. 15th question is uniform meter rule of the weight 10 GF is pivoted at a mark O. Here say mark O and it is pivoted. What moment of force depress the rule? A uniform meter rule of a weight 10 GF is pivoted at a mark O. Okay, what moment of force depress the meter rule? It is a meter rule, and how can it be made horizontal? By applying the least force. Okay, now this meter rule of a weight 10 GF and it is pivoted at a mark O. So we can say that it balances at 50 centimeter and the weight of the meter rule is given. Weight of the meter rule is 10 GF, right? So weight of meter rule is 10 GF pivoted at 50 centimeter mark, right? So question is that what moment of force depress the rule? Moment of force depress ruler is equal to 10 into 50, that is equal to 500 GFCM. So this is the answer for the first. Second, how can it be made horizontal? By applying least force. So here we can see that 500 GF centimeter is the moment of force, and how can it be made horizontal? By applying a least force. तो least force लगा के किस तरीके से हम उसको बैलेंस कर सकते हैं? तो W हमें पुट करना पड़ेगा, and we can take the meter rule which is 100 centimeters. So W is equal to 500 GFCM upon 100 cm, which gives us 5 GF. So weight of 5 G by applying the force of 5 G. Okay, 5 G at mark 100. Okay, mark 100 centimeter. Question number 16. Uniform half meter rule. Half meter rule is given, so it starts from 0, ends at 50 centimeter. Right, that you keep in mind. A uniform half meter rule can be balanced at a 29 here say 29 centimeter mark when a mass of 20 GF is hung from its one end. Now here 29 means near about 30, so this is 21 centimeter remain. So we can see that the turning moment of this ruler is at left side, means in anti-clockwise manner. So we have to put this 20 gram of weight at this side, 20 gram of weight, right? Hung from its one end. Draw the diagram of this arrangement. This is A. Okay. So actually this is a half meter rule. Then where should be the fulcrum? Fulcrum should have 25 centimeter. It is expected, but it is given at 29 centimeter. So it shows a anti-clockwise movement, and to balance it, we keep 20 gram of mass at a mark of 50 centimeter. Now find the mass of the half meter rule. Half meter rule का mass निकालना है. Now this you say L1, mass say M1 of the meter rule, or I say W1, and this side 20 is W2, and this is the distance which is L2. L2 is 21 centimeters over here, right? So by principle of moment, we can say W1 L1 is equal to W2 L2. W1 we have to find. L1 is 29 minus 25 is a 4 centimeter. I write here 29 minus 25 directly so you can understand. And W2 is 20 gram multiplied by 21 centimeter. So here we get W1 is equal to 20 gram into 21 centimeter divided by 4 centimeter. 1 za 5 za. Okay, centimeter get cancelled. 21 5 za 105 gram. This is the mass of the ruler. Okay, so this question is over. Let's see next question 17. A uniform meter rule of a mass 100 gram is balanced on a fulcrum of mark 40 centimeter. So here a 40 centimeter mark, and it should be balanced at say 50 centimeter. Okay. By suspending an unknown mass M at the mark of 20 centimeter. Now this side we find fulcrum is at 40 centimeter, so the turning of the body is in this direction, means in clockwise manner. So we have to hang mass M at left side, and it is at 20 centimeter. So at a mark of 20 centimeter, mass is hung. Now find the value of the mass. Requirement of the question first. Find the value of the mass M. So here M into this fulcrum is at 40 centimeter. Fulcrum is at 40 centimeter and length is at 20. So we can say difference is 20 centimeter is equal to here 40 centimeter mark. Meter rule mass is 100. So I can say 100 gram of the mass of the meter rule balances 8. 50 minus 40 at a distance of 50 minus 40, because actual it should be at a 50 centimeter, and this 100 gram mass of the ruler balances at 50 centimeter, but the fulcrum is taken at 40 centimeter. So we can write like this: m is equal to 100 multiplied by 10 divided by 20, 1 za 5 za, we can say 50 GF. So requirement of the first question is fulfilled, that mass is 50 GF, or we can say gram. Next, second, to which side the ruler will tilt if mass m is moved to the mark of 10 centimeter. If we move it at a mark of 10 centimeter, then this provides us anti-clockwise, right? And this provides a clockwise, so we have to check. So anti-clockwise moment, which is equal to mass is, now we have, that is 50 GF, multiply by it move to 10 centimeter. Okay, move to the mark of 10 centimeter it is given. So 10 centimeter पे जाने के बाद 40 to 10 is a 30 centimeter distance, right? So this is the anti-clockwise movement of the body, which gives us 1500 GF centimeter moment. Or now let's see clockwise. Clockwise moment is, the mass of the meter rule is 100, right? 100 gram, and it is 10 meter at a 10 meter distance, because ruler balances itself at 50. So 100 gram is at 50 and fulcrum is at 40. So 50 minus 40, we can say 10 centimeter. So I write here 50 minus 40, then you can easily understand. And you get 100 gram multiplied by 10 centimeter. So we get 1000 GF centimeter, right? Which one is greater? We find here this first is greater than second, okay, which implies us here it is anti-clockwise, so we find anti-clockwise movement, okay, which is at the mass side. So that is the requirement of second. What is the resultant moment now? Resultant moment. Third, what is the resultant moment now? Mass is 100 centimeter over here, right? So here we can say mass we found 50 GF, right? Mass into 40 minus 20, okay, that is equal to mass of 50 GF multiplied by 20 GF, sorry, 20 centimeter, not GF, it is distance, and that is equal to mass of the ruler and balances at 50 centimeter, no? So what I take 40 20 mass into 40 minus 20, that is right. And the requirement of the question is 1 minute. Requirement, what is the resultant moment now? So mass into 10, mass into 10. So this is mass of the ruler balances at 50 centimeter and the fulcrum is at 40. So mass into 50 minus 40 centimeter, which is equal to 50 GF mass that we are finding in the first, multiplied by 10 centimeter, which gives us 500 GF centimeter. Okay, no, right. Okay. And of course, here we are seeing it is in anti-clockwise manner. So anti-clockwise. Next requirement, by suspending the mass of 50 gram at the mark of, how can it be balanced by another mass of 50 gram? अभी 50 ग्राम का एक मास अगर हम लगाते हैं तो किस तरीके से बैलेंस करेंगे? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैन सी दैट इट शोज अ एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट, सो 50 का मास यहीं पे लगाना पड़ेगा. कितना? 50 का मास यहीं पे लगाना पड़ेगा. बाय सस्पेंडिंग मास ऑफ 50 ग्राम, हाउ कैन इट बी बैलेंस बाय अनदर मास? तो 50 ग्राम का मास हम कहां पे लगाए? तो से दिस इज एल, ये हमें दिखाना ढूंढना है. सॉरी, ओके. सो हियर मास एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट में हमें दिख रहा है कि 500 GF सेंटीमीटर आ रहा है. वो 500 GF CM राइट इज इक्वल टू, अभी हमें इसको बैलेंस करना है इतने चीज को. तो ये बैलेंस करने के लिए हमें मास ऑफ 50 ग्राम लगाना है. और एट व्हाट लेंथ? सो लेंथ इज 500 upon 50, which is at 100. Okay. 500 GF, 50 gram mass. No, so this is not the way. 1 minute. Okay, student. तो यहाँ पे हमने देखा कि इसका जो टर्निंग है वो टर्निंग जा रहा है एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट में, जो सबसे बड़ा यहाँ पे 1500 GF. सो 500 GF ज्यादा हो रहा है, यहाँ पे 1500 है, यहाँ पे 1000 है. तो 500 GF ज्यादा एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट बता रहा है. तो क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट के लिए हमें एक 50 GF का मास लगाना है, 50 GF का, से एट अ डिस्टेंस L, एंड द मीटर बैलेंस means weight of the meter rule is 100 gram and it is at 50 minus 40 centimeter, right? So 10 centimeter. So we can say this as 50 G into L we have to find, plus this 100 into 10 is 1000 GF centimeter, right? So 50 G into L is 500 minus 1000, so it is minus 500 GF CM, right? Because turning is more that side. So 1000 is clockwise, negative sign shows clockwise, so it is minus of 500 GF CM, and L is equal to minus 500 GF CM divided by 50G, which get GF that cancel, and minus of 10 centimeters. So this side 10 centimeters. Say, let's see the answer. Yes. So 10 centimeter from 40 fulcrum. 10 centimeter from fulcrum. That is, fulcrum is at 40 centimeter. So 10 centimeter and this side is 50 centimeter mark. At 50 centimeter mark. Okay guys, this way you have to solve the questions, right? Thank you.